In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Manychat, and we'll get this done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to unlock advanced features or just streamline your chatbot interactions, upgrading Manychat is a straightforward process. By the end of this video, you'll be set up and ready to leverage all the enhanced features Manychat Pro or Elite has to offer. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Manychat website. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you're not already signed into Manychat, you'll need to click on the sign in option. This is usually prominently displayed, but if you can't find it, don't worry. It's often in the top right hand corner of the page. Once you click there, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Ensure you're using the correct email address and password associated with your Manychat account for a smooth sign-in process. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Manychat home dashboard. From here, the next step is to navigate to the pricing section. You'll find a view pricing option within the dashboard, which will take you to a page that outlines the various plans Manychat offers. Here you can see a comparison of features across the different subscription tiers. Take your time to review the options to decide which plan best suits your needs. If you're aiming to enhance your chatbot capabilities, you might want to consider upgrading to the Pro or Elite version. Each plan offers different features, so make sure you select the one that aligns with your requirements. Once you've made your decision, simply click on the Become Pro or Become Elite button. This will initiate the upgrading process. You'll be prompted to provide payment information to complete the upgrade. Manychat accepts various payment methods, so pick the one you're most comfortable with. Ensure your payment details are entered accurately to avoid any delays in activating your upgraded plan. After you fill in your payment information and confirm your choice, your Manychat account will be upgraded to the selected plan. You'll receive a confirmation email indicating your successful upgrade, and you'll immediately have access to the new features associated with your plan. Congratulations! You've now upgraded your Manychat account and can take advantage of its enhanced capabilities to further refine and expand your chatbot's potential. Whether it's through advanced targeting, more in-depth analytics, or greater customization options, the Pro or Elite plans enable you to get more out of your interactions and engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.